everyone! Welcome to Geometric Artwork. In this video, we're going to learn how to draw this geometric pattern together. For this geometric pattern you will need an A3 paper, a BH pencil, a 0.8 pen, a triangle ruler, and a technical compass. Let's get started! Mark the corners of the square of side 24 centimeters on the paper. Leave a 5 mm gap and then start marking 7 points, each 5 mm far from each other. Skip 5 points, then start marking 7 points again, as said. Continue marking, as said, till you reach to the end of each side. Repeat these steps for all 4 sides. Draw a circle of radius 16 centimeters from each corner of the square using the technical compass. Mark the intersection of the 2 squares on each side. Draw a circle of radius 16 centimeters with the center of the intersection point of the previous 2 circles. Repeat these steps for all 4 sides. Draw the lines as you see in the video.